We've all been there. You're about to shoot an awesome interview, but there's a ton of background noise. Would you turn off the damn vent? Thank you. Let's see what we can do to remove it. What's up, it's Spencer from Your Media People, here today to give you a very useful quick tip for noise removal. I'm only going to be using one main plugin for this video. It is not sponsored by them. I just think this plugin's great. So let's get into it. We were recently commissioned to do a video about the art programs at a school. We interviewed several students throughout the project. We were all set up to record one of the interviews when a loud air conditioning vent turned on in the room. We were on a time crunch, so we didn't have time to switch locations. And this is what it sounded like directly out of the boom mic.
When we have parades in Perrysburg and the marching band is playing, I think it really brings everyone together. Everyone's listening, everyone's watching.
The background noise is very loud and she's very quiet. It's honestly on the border of being unusable. Now, let's listen to what it sounds like after using one plugin to fix it up.
When we have parades in Perrysburg and the marching band is playing, I think it really brings everyone together. Everyone's listening, everyone's watching.
Now that's a drastic difference. And to do it, it's not that difficult. There's a plugin we discovered a few months back called Audio Denoise by Crumple Pop. Unfortunately, it only works on Mac, so if you're using a Windows, you're gonna have to throw away your Windows machine and buy a Mac. But trust me, it's worth it. As I usually do, I'm gonna be doing this in Final Cut Pro, but everything I'm showing you here works in Premiere Pro as well. It is not free, it'll set you back about $100, but it is worth every penny. I'll be sure to link it in the description. Once you have Audio Denoise installed, all you have to do is apply it to your clip and open it up. Find a spot in the clip where there's just room noise, a spot where there's no talking. Click Denoise and voila, Crumple Pop will remove it. You can use the slider to adjust the strength. This situation was pretty intense, so we had it all the way up at 100%. Let's listen to the before and after once again.
When we have parades in Perrysburg and the marching band is playing, I think it really brings everyone together. Everyone's listening, everyone's watching. When we have parades in Perrysburg and the marching band is playing, I think it really brings everyone together. Everyone's listening, everyone's watching.
What a difference that makes. After using Audio Denoise, I still recommend using some EQ and compression to finalize it. But even with just that one plugin, the difference is night and day. This plugin is a must-have for anyone doing interview work, especially if you're using a condenser microphone on a boom pole. And there it is. Noise removal made easy. If you're using Crumple Pop, keep up the good work, and if not, you should give it a try. If you found this useful or entertaining, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you found this to be a complete waste of time, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm Spencer from Your Media People, and I'll see you next time.